Here is how to restore an archived contact in Xero, step by step. Begin from the top menu in Xero and click Contacts. This opens the main area where your contact records are managed. From there, select All Contacts to move into the full contact list. This is the section that includes active contacts as well as other contact categories, so it is the right place to start when you need to bring back a record that was archived earlier. Once you are in All Contacts, look for the Archive tab and click it. That tab filters the list so you are only viewing contacts that are currently archived. If you have many contacts in your file, this helps narrow the view so you are not searching through active records at the same time. Stay in this archived view before choosing the contact you want to restore. Now find the archived contact you want to bring back and click the contact name to open its contact page. Make sure you select the correct archive contact before continuing, especially if there are several contacts with similar names. Opening the contact page gives you access to the actions available for that specific record, including the option to restore it. On the contact page, move to the upper right corner and click Restore. This is the action that returns the archive contact to active status. After you click it, Xero restores the contact immediately. There is no separate save step listed here, so once Restore is selected, the change is applied right away. After the restore is complete, you will notice a visible change on the contact page. The Restore button disappears, which confirms that the contact is no longer archived. The contact is now active again and can be used like your other active contacts in Xero. If you are following along on screen, the full sequence is to open Contacts from the top menu, go to All Contacts, switch to the Archive tab, open the archive contact, and then click Restore from the upper right. The final confirmation is built into the contact page itself. When the Restore button is no longer there, Xero has already moved that record out of the archive state. This process is useful when a contact was archived earlier and now needs to be available again in your active contact list. Since the restore happens immediately, you can confirm the result as soon as the button disappears. At that point, the contact is active again in Xero and no longer sits in the archive group. The archive contact has now been restored and is active again in Xero.